Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this seasoned cast iron skillet by Lodge. Now before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased the cast iron skillet with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. Before I open a box, well, it's already open because I'm thinking somebody, opened it, took something out of it. Because usually Amazon will add a few items in this particular box because I did ordered, quite a few items for my camping trip. As you can see, you know, it created a hole. The handle punctured the box. So I'm thinking somebody opened it, but I was wrong. Now, before I open the box, I would like to share some information about the company Lodge. This is straight from their website, lodgecastiron.com. Lodge Cast Iron has been making heirloom quality cookware and accessories since 1896. We currently operate 2 foundries in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee. Our home since the very beginning, backed by over 120 years of experience. Each piece of Lodge cookware is crafted for durability and versatility. We don't just make cookware, we make memories that last for generations. All right. I think I bought a big skillet. I think I should have started with something small, maybe a 12-inch, but this is heavy, man. Okay, so I purchased the 13 and a quarter size skillet. So from edge to edge, yep, is quite accurate. 13 and a quarter. Okay. So the reason why I purchased this item here, first and foremost, is made in the USA. Exactly in it says here, made in Tennessee since 1896. This is a seasoned cast iron skillet. Now, for those who don't know what seasoned cast iron skillet, so it's basically they lather this particular or any seasoned skillet with oil or grease. But from the website, they said that they lather it with oil. I saw it in YouTube. They use bacon grease, but I'm gonna try to season this again and use maybe some cooking oil. I also have a coconut oil base spray. Maybe I'll use that. So anyway, on the label it says, taste the natural difference of just iron and oil. Keep me in the family and out of the landfill. Get 125 years of experience at your fingertip. I purchased this particular item for camping and of course as a man, okay? Let me put this down. As a man, one of the things that you should own as a man is a cast iron skillet. So on the back, it's embossed large, and it says USA 123K. Now 123K, you ask me what that means. I really don't know. And on this the other side of the handle, it says large. All right. This is really heavy, man. From my observation, this is a heavy duty skillet, you know. Man, I have pots and pans that doesn't even equate to the weight of this particular skillet. All right. On the back, it says, get to know your new large cookware. Cast iron cooking is so much more than the type of cookware you use. It's an experience and a relationship that will last beyond your lifetime. Cook over and heat source, including glass top stoves, the durable cast iron can handle any type of utensil, even metal. Use it, then clean it. After each meal, hand wash your cookware, dry promptly, and apply a thin layer of cooking oil to the entire surface. What to use it for? If you buy a high quality item or product that will last you quite some time, it's considered an investment. You know, I have watches that I bought that lasted me for years. When I say years, maybe over 6, 8 years, and it's still ticking till this day. But of course, you must take care of your product. So I'm going to clean it and I'm going to cook. I bought a little bit of some beef over there from the supermarket, and they said to make this, you know, smooth, the surface is smooth, just keep on cooking with it. If you just finish cooking with your skillet, do not wash it right away because you might damage the iron, you know, or there's an enamel or a coating on this skillet. You might damage it. The advice that was given is just wait until the skillet cool off, okay? Because you have a probability of cracking it or damaging the coating is about 150. You could say 2 a.m. in the morning, but you know, I don't sleep like that. So all right, so I have my skillet here, it's warm. You can see it's smoking hot. Got my little boneless top blade steak over here. And we're going to see what this iron skillet is made of, alright? Now, I got the fire on medium. Oh man, that smell is wonderful. I am using a coconut. There you go, it's focusing. So for the oil, I use the coconut oil spray from Trader Joe's. Alright. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. Some Himalayan pink salt. This is rainbow peppercorns. Smells good. Okay, so I put a little bit more salt and pepper after I turned it over, and I made a little bit of cut there, so I know, you know, the outcome of it. I don't want to do it too much. You know, I don't want it when I'm done. I want it, medium well. All right. So I don't want it too done too hard. I don't want that. But I don't want it too fluffy, Man, if you smell it, what I'm smelling, it's delicious, and I haven't even eaten. Honestly, I haven't even eaten since maybe 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Right now it's 4:23 in the a.m. July 29th. And I got some rice and beans that I cooked. Well, actually, somebody cooked this yesterday, so this is what I'm gonna eat the steak with. When it gets warm, it'll just collapse, so I'm not even worried about it. By the way, this is rice and beans with peppers, green peppers. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty. This should let's some. I think that's good. This is ready to eat. Well, it's been ready to eat. See that? Perfect. And there you go. There you go. That's beef steak with rice and beans and peppers. This shit lit on. That was the unboxing and product review on the seasoned cast iron skillet by Lodge. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Hey world, check out my brand, my clothing brand, DOSOS. That's www.dosos.clothing. Now, if you like this hat, I only made 2 of these. One for me, one for you. Now, if you buy this, it's free shipping, all right? But USA only, US only. It's the summertime. We have shorts, short sleeve shirts like this. We have the stacked dollars tees, short sleeve tees. But check it out. You might find something you like. That's www.dosos.clothing. Thank you. And once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world, bye world, peace.